Hey everyone, this is Wings, aka Sherpa, and I am about to take you along a journey of my first section hike on the Appalachian Trail. Remember to like and subscribe, and let's go. Great spot for you to pick up the shuttle when you're hiking the Roan Highlands, and we are going to be going up to Roan High Knob parking lot right next to Toll House Gap. Looking forward to that. And as you'll see, if you look closely at that totem pole back there at the top is the AT logo symbol, and we are really stoked to be here. We are getting ready to unload the truck right back there, and we are going to prepare ourselves for the shuttle. It'll take about 30 minutes to get us to where we're going to be starting, but then it's going to take us 3 days to get back here as we hike the 17 miles nice and slow and enjoyable, and I cannot wait for us to do it. So we want to check in. Sorry for the noise in the background. The cool thing about the station at 19E, they do have a hostel here. They do have some drinks and some live music, I've heard, so hopefully someday we'll get back here and check that out as well. But looking forward to hiking this mountain. She's taking us? Oh, okay, cool. You guys can go and load if you want to.
The hobbit and gnomes would come from up there, right? And they come and they start a fire with the 21st century mint and stuff like that, and they start a fire, right?
Got a tour guide
and,
session here.
The fire and the smoke would go up, and they'd only burn half the trees up, so the sun would come down and it would warm them up on top of the fire. So you'd have warm gnomes and hobbits.
What's a hobbit?
What's the hobbit with you? What's the hobbit with you?
There's no witches around that wants to put them in witches' brew.
Hey guys, we are taking a little break for some lunch as we just passed Carver's Gap and are making our way towards Grassy Ridge Bowl, which is about I think another 2 to 2.5 miles. So we're a little over halfway right now. We just have to take this little spur trail back up to the Appalachian And once we get up there, we'll be able to keep ourselves rolling out to the area where we plan to camp. There is a tent site just before the Grassy Ridge, so we'll see how we're feeling. We may want to do more. There's the crew having some lunch, enjoying their sandwiches. We'll talk to you as we roll.
See the patches of water?
Okay. For both. Hey everyone, thanks again for joining me on today's adventure. Day 1 of a section hike headed for 19E, starting at Roan High Knob parking lot and staying for tonight at Grassy Ridge, where you see we set up our camp and had a great night. We're going to culminate these shots from today's hike with a nice sunset shot, and just reminding you to like and subscribe. Wings, aka Sherpa, and we will see you tomorrow.